so you can hear him hopping back and forth on the ledge. He hasn't become brave enough to take flight towards the wide open door we have here for him. It's kind of cute though, the little hopping. I want to become his friend a lot more now. Oh! He's flying! Towards the window. Oh my gosh, get out! There's a wind! Go toward the door! Oh, now he's on the fake tree. I'm glad that we simulate outside, inside, so that he feels more comfortable. Somehow we need to usher him towards the open door here. Oh no, he moved on the tree. Maybe he's starting to realize it's a fake tree. What do you think, Eddie? What's our plan of action?
I don't know. It's a bird in your house and moving.
It's been driving me crazy for at least half an hour now. Alright, I'm stopping this now.